Worried about your dog's constant cough? Let's talk kennel cough. Kennel cough is a common contagious respiratory disease in dogs. Causes include bacteria like and viruses like parainfluenza and adenovirus. Symptoms? Look out for a persistent dry cough, gagging, sneezing, nasal discharge, loss of appetite and lethargy. If you notice these signs, get your dog checked out. Vets will do a physical exam, blood work, x-rays, and sometimes a bacterial culture or viral test. Treatment includes antibiotics, cough suppressants, and anti-inflammatory meds. Also, give your furry friend plenty of rest, hydration, and love. Prevention is key. Vaccinate your dog, maintain good hygiene, ensure proper ventilation, and reduce stress. Keep those tails wagging and those coughs at bay. Follow for more tips on keeping your dog healthy and happy.